On this tutorial you will learn how to stretch a part of a 3D object using AutoCAD 2020. As a sample I will use this clipboard stand I created. The link to download this STL file is below. This stand is 5 inches deep. Let's stretch the right side by 1 inch. On the model space type the command solid edit. Then click face, then click move. Now choose the surfaces to be stretched. Then press enter. Now find a reference point and drag the cursor on the direction of the stretching, type 1, then enter. Now the depth of this object is 6 inches. Now let's do the opposite. Same procedure, choosing the appropriate surfaces to bring it back to 5 inches deep. Same commands. Solid edit. Face. Move. Click on the surfaces, press enter. Now find a reference point and drag the cursor on the direction of the stretching, type 1. Please like and share this video with your friends. If you subscribe to my channel you will be notified when another tutorial is posted. Thank you for watching.